but it is only 95% complete. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while and there's many reasons for that. One of them are I only received the parts for the 2014 R1 3 weeks ago and I ordered them in January. The other reason is we were busy buying this house and we're not quite sure if we'll still be buying it. There are many problems that we have to deal with right now. But other than that, if you have not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to support me on Patreon, I will leave the link in the description below. There are many perks to choose from. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to all of my existing Patreons. I could not do this without you guys, and I thank you for all of the support even though I haven't been uploading. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so I got the headlights and the fairings over there and I will be doing an unboxing just now. I also got the parts from Yamaha that I waited 3 months for. They finally arrived. So I will be able to finish the bike in this video, but before I do any of that, I want to remove the tank and have a look at all of the wiring, make sure everything is working. So let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, all of the wiring has been sorted out. I also installed the tank and all of these little seat brackets. Now it's time to unbox the fairings, give you guys a little cinematic of what that looks like and get them ready to install on the bike. So let's get into it. Alright guys, all of the plastics and pieces have been installed onto the fairings, and now we can finally install the fairings onto the bike and see what that's going to look like, because I'm sure all of you have been dying to see that. So without further ado, let's get to work.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, all of the fairings are installed and the bike is really looking insane right now, but it is only 95% complete, and that's because I still need to stick all of these custom made tank pads, and you guys haven't even seen these yet, as well as the Yamaha logos that go on the tank and tailpiece. So let's go ahead and degrease the whole bike, stick all of the decals and hit the cinematic. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little cinematic. Now that the bike is finally complete and looks great, there's only one thing left to do. And that is going to be a wrap for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this build series just as much as I did, but now it's time to focus on better builds. I will be focusing on the 2019 R1 next, and we have more builds coming to the channel. And so if you want to see them, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on all your notifications. Subscribing is completely free. It really won't cost you anything. As well as if you would like to support me on Patreon, I will leave the link in the description below. There are many perks to choose from. Without being too much of a bitch, peace out, stay positive.